Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Abdul Online Earning and Learning. In this video, I am going to show you how to mark your entire inbox in Gmail is read. So, in order to mark all your email as read, what you need to do, go to search mail and write as unread. The search show your all email which you are not read yet. So the next step is to select this checkbox and then select all. When you select that, they show the email of the current page, but we want to select our entire inbox. How we select? Let's see. We have option in blue color. Select all conversations that match this search. Click this and then click three dots and then we click mark as read and then press OK. Wait a few seconds. Then your inbox, all inbox is mark as read.